What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. Hey y'all, this is my first official video in the garage with the hook, y'all. Y'all welcome the hook to the channel, and I'm gonna show y'all a few things that I already got on the hook, and I'm gonna show you some things over here that I have right now that's finna go on the hook, man, and we're gonna get into it right after this.
From the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Twisted Sisters, what a ride!
Hey everybody, this is the hook, my 2024 brand new DCT Honda Goldwing. Man, I'm excited about this bike and the stuff that I have going on this bike and the stuff that I already put on the bike. Man, y'all, if you hadn't tried the Goldwing, you definitely need to go test ride you one. Make your choice from there, you know, decide if you like it or not. You don't have to buy it, just check it out and just see what it's about, man. See what the hype is about, and the hype is real. So yeah, man. But y'all, let me tell you about a few things I got on the bike, y'all. This is the Saddlemen seat here, y'all. Awesome seat with the green stitching, the black logo sign right here. Very nice, very comfortable right out the box. Awesome seat. Yeah, my 2024 Goldwing, man, that boy look good. And another thing I like about the backrest, this right here, a let down, and it has a pocket right here as well. Awesome seat, y'all, that you can just lean back and be comfortable on, y'all. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you some that they sent me. So when I get a tour pack, I have that for the missus. But I do have a backrest here that I'm gonna show you here in just a minute that's going on the bike. So yeah, we put these on here, the little carbon fiber pieces right here. Check that out right there. And you see that it has Goldwing on it. So that little weight right here. And we also did this right here. We got the carbon fiber on the mirror. We got the carbon fiber on the windshield. You see that right there? Looks really good. I'm trying to make the bike my own, make it look my own. I got carbon fiber down here. Sorry about that as well. That looks really good on here. And I'm putting the carbon fiber front fender on here. That'll be in real soon as well. And I'm put a dark tinted windshield on here. So yeah, those are a few things that we got on here. And we have the most important part, if you didn't catch the last video, my Shark Road exhaust, y'all. That sounds amazing. Let me give y'all a little test. Look, let y'all hear it a little bit. Then I'm gonna show you the parts that we have going on the hook today. Y'all check this sound out. Woo! Right there. I know y'all hear that sound. Woohoo! Yeah. Shark Road exhaust, baby. Sounds really good. I know everybody says it sounds like a Porsche or a Corvette, but yeah, man, we finna get ready to put some more parts that I have right here on the bike. I want to show you first something I got to go with the bike, and I think you would like. I know I like it. So when you get a new bike, you definitely got to get a helmet to match this boy right here. This is the pin lock here. I'm gonna show you a helmet that I have that's going with this bike right here. Y'all know, y'all seen my last video where I did the Quin helmet. This is a smart helmet for those of you that don't know about Quin helmet. This is a smart helmet, and I'm gonna take it out the box and I'm gonna tell you why it's a smart helmet, okay? I've been rocking it in my videos and rocking it, y'all. The helmet is so light, y'all. This is a light helmet. I have another one in the house just like it. but it's a black carbon fiber helmet. But let me show you what they sent me out now. And I want to thank Michael from Quin Helmets for sending me this out. Y'all, look at that boy right there. Look at that. Carbon fiber that matches all the carbon fiber on the daggum bike, man. What? Hey, y'all, let me tell you a little bit more about this helmet right here. This is a smart helmet here. This helmet has SOS beacon on here. If you have an accident, you happen to go down, you got a button here. It's got the built-in intercom system on it already. You hit that button 3 times and it'll dial 911 for you. And this helmet has crash detection on here as well. So if you happen to go down or you drop the helmet really bad, this will, let me tell you first about this. You got to download the app. I'm getting ahead of myself. You got to download the app and have your wife or your girlfriend or the husband to download the app. And they put it on their phone. It's a number with this helmet. You set it up on that app and download it so that if you happen to go down, that would alert your loved ones. It would send an alert that you have went down. And another thing that I like that this thing have, it has GPS locator. If you out riding by yourself, you happen to go down or whatever, this thing right here has a GPS locator in there and it will help locate you where you are. So that's what I love about the helmet. I do a lot of long distance rides by myself. So if something was to happen to me, my wife can go in the phone and locate me where I am, where I was last, all that. She can actually follow you while you on your trip. So I like that right there, that feature where you can be located. And I got a couple of windscreens for it too as well. He sent me some more. That's the clear. And I have the smoked out, and I have the mirror one that I'm gonna use on here. But yeah, this thing is a smart helmet, y'all. So yeah, this is gonna be the mirror that I'm gonna put on here. And I like this helmet, y'all, because the carbon fiber pieces that I'm putting on the bike, I think it matches up really well with it. Y'all, it's just gonna be fire when I get done with this bike, y'all, and have a matching helmet to go with it. Boy, hey y'all, this helmet is very nice. Look at the quilted. Let me see if you can see the quilted on the inside of the helmet. Let's get in some light over here. So look at the helmet on the inside. It's quilted on the inside. This helmet is very light. It has an easy strap on it too to unlock it and to lock it. Let me show you all. If you didn't catch my last video, look at that. Very easy to unlock. And it locks in. Look at that. Awesome, awesome helmet, y'all. So yeah, and it comes with the cable to charge it up, because you got to charge the helmet up. Right here, it's got a little deal here, the cable to charge it up. And this is the cable here that you just plug it in and you keep that boy charged. The intercom in here is pretty good. Awesome helmet, very light. Oh man, look at that Quin helmet. Make sure you go check out the website. I will put a link in the description so that you can go check this helmet out, y'all. So this the helmet that's gonna be rocking with hook right here, y'all. I gotta get that right. So I've been calling the hook so long. Cone so long. But yeah, this is a carbon fiber helmet, smart helmet. You see that right there. Smart helmet, y'all. And we have a backrest here. I'm finna get ready and put this on right now. This is a passenger backrest, y'all. This is a passenger backrest right here. This is going on the bike. And I'm changing the pad. Saddlemen is sending me the exact same pad that I have on here already. So this pad would definitely be changed. I just couldn't go with just having mismatched. I got OCD. My OCD will kick in real bad with these mismatched pads on the bike. But yeah, and I gotta pull this up and we gotta put this on. I'm gonna show you what else they sent me too, Saddlemen. just in case I get a tour pack on the bike. Look at this boy with the green stitching on it. What? Looks really good. In case I decide, like I say, get a tour pack on the bike, this is gonna look really nice on the bike, y'all. So yeah, and I probably eventually get one later, cause what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you what else I have over here. I have the rack. The rack is what I'm gonna strap down by Pentacle right here. This is what I be strapping my bag to. And we're gonna put this on right here. It's gonna go over this right here. So we gotta take the seat off, and we're gonna get all this on, y'all. All right, y'all, I got that off. Hey, man, I'm gonna tell you, these two little deals right here, you got to pop them out back here, dude. These boys are hard to come out. So you got to put a little pressure to pull this straight back to get these clamps out without breaking them. And this is real flimsy. You don't want to break it or scratch it. So you see the 3 holes right here? That is where that's gonna sit right there. Look at that, that's how that's gonna go. And they apply you with the 3 bolts as well to go on here. So y'all, we're gonna get this on, get this back up, and then we're gonna get the rack on, okay? We're definitely gonna get the rack on after we get done with that. So let's put this on right here and see how it look. All right. Hey y'all, make sure you use the blue Loctite too. And it does have a lock washer to come with it, but I think I feel safer with the blue Loctite on here as well. And with the instructions on this right here, you have to get your hacksaw, take this off. You got to cut this right here and take this piece out so that it will go back up on the back of this right here. So so it has 2 lines. Just cut inside those 2 bolts right here, and we're gonna take this piece off and cut this out. Just get you a nice little hacksaw blade, cause it's just plastic. So, and we'll get this done. So see that? I got that piece cut off right there. And it has some little lines right there too as well. So what we're just gonna do, we're gonna get this back on. You gotta make sure those 2 little deals pop in from the back here. Make sure you pop these little clips and line these back up in here. You gotta pop it back out first. You see that? You gotta pop that little end out first. Push from the bottom, push back in, and just push down on it. That'll lock it in right there. So look at the back rest, y'all. What y'all think? It's real sturdy on here. I really like that. So, yo, so now we're gonna put the rack on. Let's get the Pentacle rack put on. So let me get that set up and I'll show you. All right, y'all. This is the bolt set up. I got everything nice, neatly packaged. And you got your little prow tool, your Allen wrench, and your 4 bolts, and your little spacers that you have, and a couple of washers. So let me show you the rack here that I went with. This is gonna be what I strap my bag down on right here. So yeah, this is what's going on there. It looks really nice. The big spacer is gonna go to the back, and the little spacer is gonna go toward the front. And then I'm gonna show you after that, this is where this come into play. And these are gonna go in the front right here. You see that? And then we're gonna get these put in. It's gonna go over it just like this right here. That's how that's gonna go. And then okay, you see these little things right here? It's gonna slide right in these little slots right here. If you can see these slots right here. See these little slots? You gotta make those slots, those little things go in those slots. You might can use some lubricant if you want to, but Right here, I really don't have to get it in there like you need it to get in there. So yeah. But yep, that's the way it goes, just like that. Let's get the other one in. Same exact thing. The tall end go toward the back right here, and the little end go toward the front. And we're just gonna put them in those little slots, y'all. Going next, we're gonna put these in right here. We're gonna put these down right here. I'm sorry, I got that the wrong way. You're gonna put this down right here. You got 4 of them. You're gonna put them down right over the hole. And I gotta get this one out, flip this one over. And go just like that. Then here's the 4th one right here. And go just like that right there. And all you gotta do is take your screws. And your screws are different sizes. This is for the front, this is for the rear. So you look at them. You got one long, you got one short. Stick it all the way through. That's all you gotta do. Line your holes up. And they go all the way through. So I'm gonna get these on, and then I'm gonna show you the last part of it. And this is just gonna be these little plastic deals right here that's gonna pop on top of there. So got everything on here, y'all, that we was gonna put on here today. Like I said, we got more parts coming, but check out the Pinnacle rack right here that I'm gonna use to put my luggage. And then I got this backrest here, like I say, off of Amazon as well. I'm gonna switch the pad on it, cause I can't be OCD like that, y'all. But y'all, in the Saddlemen seat, I thank Saddlemen for sending me the seat out, y'all. And like I say, I still got a few things to go. The bars will be in tomorrow. Just got a email for that will be here tomorrow sometime. So y'all, we're gonna get the bars put on. We're gonna take this bike up to Arlen's Honda and let them put these bars on. I'm not finna fool with these bars. This is a new bike to me. This bike still got warranty on it, and I don't wanna mess anything up. So yeah, but y'all, that's gonna be it for the end of the video. We got more to come on the bike, and get it ready to pound the ground. We're gonna put some miles on this bike. They say this is the ultimate road master out there on the road. It's the king. So y'all, we're gonna put it to the test. Y'all know me, we travel, we roll, we do what we do, man. So y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out of here. Y'all enjoy the ride today. It's a beautiful Saturday. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.